Mydoh App Review. So if you don't know this application, Mydoh is a money management and allowance core application plus prepaid card system targeted for families, parents, plus kids ages 6 to 12. So basically how it works, or let's just say what is the idea? So this one is meant to help children learn financial literacy by earning, saving, spending, and tracking money under parental guidance. So how it works? Parent signups and verifies. Number two, funding and loading money. Parent funds their wallet via e-transfer, debit card, or RBC account and transfers or allocates funds to the child account. Now, there is this also parent controls oversight. Parents can create tasks and household chores for children, assign due dates, set payment amounts for completion. They can track spending and earnings, view transaction history, monitor where the child uses their card. Basically, they have their cards, and parents can control the spending limits, oversight, ability to see purchases. Also, for children's experience, children have their own app or children's view. They see application and they will see the available balance task and mark tasks as completed. So it's like playing and learning. The features include trivia, educational content about money to build financial literacy. So Mydo is currently free to use, no monthly subscription. And the pros could be, of course, teaches financial literacy, parental oversight and control, real world spending with a prepaid card, savings and goals. Now, the final verdict, Mido is a solid tool for family who want to equip their children with early financial education in a safe, supervised, hands-on way. It balances giving kids real money via prepaid card while maintaining parental control and oversight. For Canadian families, it offers compelling value, no monthly fee. It works best when children are at an age to meaningful engage, roughly 6 to 18, and when the family is comfortable with digital tools and oversight. It's not a substitute for full banking or investment accounts, but serves as a teaching stepping stone tool. However, if you're outside Canada or looking for rewards, very flexible schedules, or more autonomy for kids without parental monitoring, this might not fully meet your needs. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.